Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Samira Z Fashion YouTube channel. My name is Samira. If this is your first time of stopping by here, you are highly welcome. Please join this family, okay? Subscribe, like and comment. So please also turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss on any of my videos. I'll be dropping my long videos on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So to start, I'm going to use this latest Duchess fabric. It's 2 years that we are going to use to make this style, and I'll be teaching you guys how to cut and sew luxury bubu gown style with puff sleeve. So if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making today. Please let's get started now. So this is the latest Duchess fabric that we are using today. It's 2 years of it. I'll spread it and I'm cutting it all together. It's folded into 4 pieces. So I'm taking the width of my gown, which is 13 inch. Okay, so now I'll just draw a straight line. That's where we are going to start our measurements from. Okay, so please keep on watching this tutorial down to the end so that you can support this channel to grow. My length is by 58 inch, so I'm taking the length is 58 inch, so I'm going to mark it on both sides. 58 inch is the length of my gown that I'm making today. Okay, so please keep on watching down to the end so that you can support this channel to grow. Alright, so I'm taking the length now. Now I will go by 3.5 inch for the neckline. So I will bring it down by 3 inch. Okay, that is the depth of my neckline is by 3 inch. Alright. So I folded it into 4 pieces. Okay. So my back neckline is by 3 inch, while the depth is by 1.5 inch. That is the back neckline. Alright, so I'm going by 7 inch for my arm hole line. Okay. My shoulder is by 8 inch. Alright, so I'm marking 8 inch for my shoulder. So that's the 8 inch for my shoulder. So I'll draw a straight line for that. Then I will slope my shoulder by 1 inch. So I'll connect the marks. My bust is by 46 inch. Alright. So my bust is by 46 inch. Then I will add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So just connect it now. That's the armhole. So from my shoulder, I will mark 14 inch for my under bust length. Okay. Now on my under bust length, then I will mark 44 inch. Okay. Then I'll add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So I will now connect all the marks together. You can see that the style is very easy to cut and sew on your own. So please keep on watching down to the end so that you can know how to cut this style that we are making by yourself. So I'm connecting it down to my hemline. I'm sorry my camera is not taking that part, but I'm connecting all the marks down to my hemline. So after connecting it, then I will cut the fabric out. Okay, so I'll start from my neckline now. So I'm cutting the back neckline first. Okay, so please don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment, and please let us know what you think about our tutorial, especially this one that you are watching now. Please let me know what you think about today's tutorial. Alright, so and you can support this channel by watching this particular video down to the end so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making also. So please keep on watching. It's a beautiful style that we are making today. Today we are making this simple luxury bubu gown style with puff sleeve. It's a very simple and trendy style that you can wear out. It's very simple to cut and sew on your own. And don't forget, we are using this latest Duchess material. It's 2 yards of it that we are using to make this style that we are cutting now. So please keep on watching down to the end so that you can see the style that we are making. And don't forget, we are cutting the front piece and the back piece together. So we are cutting the front and the back piece together. So I'm pulling the front neckline out. I want to cut it out now. You can see the way I'm placing it. So I want to cut the front neckline out now. So this is how you should do your own when cutting your own. I want you to really try it after watching this video so that you can have that confidence to cut your fabric on your own. So I'm going to also show you guys how to cut the puff sleeve that we are going to attach to the sleeve of this gown that we are making today. You can see the neckline now. So what I will do, I'll take it to my sewing machine, then I'll run a stitch on the neckline, and the dress will be ready. So this is how to go about it. The next step now is for you to learn how to cut and sew the sleeve. So we are cutting the puff sleeve now. Okay, so I'm going by 14" for the length of my sleeve. Alright, so I'll draw a straight line for that. Okay, so the width I'm going by, please, the width is by 17" while the armhole is by 1.5", and I'll curve it, then I'll cut it out. You can see how simple it is for you to learn how to cut and sew this particular sleeve that we are making. Is a puff sleeve that we are going to attach to this dress that we are making. It's a beautiful gown that we are making today, and I'm going to also teach you guys how to pass the elastic on the puff sleeve that we are making today. So after cutting it out now, I'll take it to the machine. I'll run a stitch at the edge of the sleeve, then we are going to use our elastic to pass it to make it to puff out. So this is how to go about it. I've run a stitch on it. I'm using my safety pin and elastic to pass it out. So after passing it out, then we are going to attach it to the main dress that we are making today. It's a beautiful style that we are making today, and I want you to cut and sew it on your own after watching this particular tutorial that we are making today. That is the style that we are making today. You can see how beautiful it is. So this is the outcome of the style that we are making today. So we made use of 2 yards of this latest Duchess material, and the style is Luxury Bubu gown style with puff sleeve. So I hope you understood what we did today, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Guys, keep a date with me again, and please, you can turn on your notification bell so that you get notified and watch my new tutorial whenever I upload new tutorial on my channel. Please, you can comment, like, share, and let us know what you think about our tutorial by commenting. And please, if you have any question, you can also ask me, and I'm ready to answer you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please, you can watch my other tutorial now.